Okay, my friend, welcome to my new video, how to get thousands of free traffic to your affiliate link using video marketing, free video marketing, okay? Before I am showing you before I am showing this method, how this work, you can see here my statistic, how I am getting thousands of visitors every single day over, let's see here, over 10,000 visitors, 6,000, 60,000 visitors, and you can see here 14,000 visitors and over 20,000 visitors on this day for free. Okay, let's go to a location. Here's a country. Let's go to country and see where is the traffic come from. You can see United States. I am getting over 100,000 visitors. France over 13, Brazil over 30, India, Germany, Russia, Canada, and more Vietnam, and more free traffic. The best traffic here is from United States. You can see over 120,000 visitors for free. It's free traffic, my friend, and I will show you how I am getting this traffic for free using video marketing. Okay, so how will this work, my friend? I will show you right now how you can make this traffic, how you can get this traffic to your affiliate link and promote anything using this method. Okay, you can promote your Clickbank affiliate link, your CPA offers, your blog, your landing page. You can promote anything using this method and everything for free. Okay, I will show you and give you some stuff that you can use it for free and get this traffic to your affiliate link. Okay, for this method we will use YouTube, Dailymotion, and more free video marketing. You can see, let's go to sharing videos. One moment. Okay, so how this work? You have to found sharing videos online and share videos for this website. So you can see here Vimeo, and here Dailymotion, and you can see Twitch and Live Lake and Veo and Break. You can see Meta Cafe, and there's more and more website. Okay, the best website that you can use, you can use three. Okay, you can use YouTube. Let's go to YouTube. Okay, this is one of the best websites that you can share your videos, and you can use Dailymotion, this website, and you can use Vimeo. Okay, all you have to do is create a free account on YouTube, Dailymotion, and Vimeo.com. And there is more, of course, there is more. You can go to Meta Cafe, okay, and download and upload videos to these websites, and don't forget to put your affiliate link below every video you upload. Now look, I know maybe you don't have a videos to upload, so I will give you a lot of videos make money online niche that you can use it for free, and all you have to do is just download this video and upload to YouTube, Dailymotion, Vimeo, and MetaCafe, and don't forget to put your link below every video you upload. Okay, so how to get videos? I will give you free videos. I will show you how to get free videos that you can download right now for free, unique videos that you can download and upload to your channel, to your channels in this case. Okay, and you have to give it a time, and you will start get traffic to your affiliate link for free. You don't have to pay for traffic anymore. All you have to do, just take action, make this method, and you are ready to go. You will get unlimited traffic like I get here every single day without touch it. Okay, so how to get free videos? You can go here, youtube.makingmoneyacademy.net. Okay, you can go to this website and you will find a limited package here of free videos that you can use, download, and upload to your channels. Okay, all you have to do is just click and download. I already have these videos on my computer, so I don't have to download. But you can see here there is a lot of packages. Okay, every package there's 5 or 6 videos for free that you can use it and upload to your channels and get free traffic to your affiliate links. That's all, guys, for this video. I hope you like it, and I hope you will subscribe to my channel for more updates and for more videos and for more method and tricks how to get traffic and how to make money online. Thank you again for watching this video, and have a good day. Thank you very much.